guys, FaZe Rainbow here. Welcome to another video. This is for my uncle Joshua. We're going to be starting up your Vmax for you. I don't even know if it's going to run. Is there any fuel in it?
I don't know.
What the hell? Should go get some fuel for it. Well, there's some fuel, but I don't know if it's enough to run. No.
Yeah.
Is there a gas switch on it?
Well, inside. You put the choke.
Oh, did I? I don't remember. Might have to put a little bit of fuel in the car. That's what Joshua had to do. Hang on a second. Whoa. Open her up.
What are you doing?
Well, he had to throw fuel in the car before. I think it was like...
Yeah. Check the gas switch.
Yeah, where's the gas? I don't know. I think Joshua never... I don't know.
I have no clue.
Is the button on or off?
It's on.
No, it's off. Yeah, I think he opened this up here before. I think. And he had to, he put a little bit of gas in it.
No.
I don't even know if the fucking choke works. You know, let's see if we can get a little bit of fuel. Let's put it down to spark plugs.
Here, we'll go get scared to pop that off.
No.
Wait, because the choke is out of her. But Dylan, put the gas in.
You put it in.
Holy fuck.
Oh, I gotta hold the fucking camera.
Are you scared to put the fucking...
Yeah.
Dilly, dude, you're wild. I think you're scared to get dirty.
No, I don't care. I have to have this on video. Yeah, no, because I know Joshua had pulled this off before, but I'm trying to remember.
The choke would work.
I don't think it will.
Fuck, you gonna get more than a little bit?
Oh, then we'll put the rest in the gas tank.
The grass is still
No, there's nothing coming out.
No, but there's no rubber, so I don't...
Oh. Yep, something.
That's a lot of gas.
No, nothing came out.
Oh.
It's gonna start now. Here, put some like rest in the gas tank.
No. Fuck.
Yeah.
Just leave it. Fuck, you might catch on fire. Move the gas can.
Yeah, I better fucking move that.
Grab the fucking yellow thing. We'll put the cover back on.
Yeah, it'd be better, eh?
Fuck, I put lots of gas.
How did it go
Just
back
go,
on?
just
Go like
right
that?
in. Push her in.
I did. I think so.
Yeah.
Here, let's put this last little bit in. Yeah, we need a spark plug wrench. I don't know where it is.
Is there gas in it?
Yeah, there's some, but I don't know if there's enough.
So you need gas on the cylinder.
I have some right here.
Fuck, I put lots on the curb.
Yeah, I need a spark plug wrench.
Get a spark plug wrench.
Yeah, Liam, go find us a spark plug wrench here.
Wait.
Oh,
Even on.
oh, it fired up. Cold start. Fired right up. We'll have to lift it up. We'll have to lift it up. Well, fuck. We'll have to lift it up to give it a good rev.
Fuck, look at the smoke. That's from that carb gas.
Yeah, right?
Dylan, why do you buy this?
What the fuck am I gonna do with that? I'll let it warm up. Here. You should get him, Let it warm up and we'll give it a good rev.
Oh, fuck, hold it wide open.
Yeah, right. Oh, the fuck's your smoke. Yeah, right. Starts to start it up. She's been sitting for a long time. Holy gee, she's smoking. Look at all that smoke. Still full? Sounds like it needs lots of work. Sounds like it needs lots of work. Yeah, there's should be. I think it's more than that because the mouse chewed off the wire. There'll be way more than that on there. There's not something that's the speedometer says kilometers on it, but the wire is chewed off. So I think there's way more than that on here. You guys want to get out of the smoke there, bud? Let it warm up. The throttle is fucked.
Hey, Dennis thinks he's gonna take us bush on fire.
Yeah, look at it. Look at it.
It's sure that 340 when we started.
Yeah, the grass is on fire. I remember that. I still have that video. Look at the sticker. Wow. Now she probably stuck to the ground. Wait, where's that old-fashioned thing that we had on the 340 before? That metal, you know, remember that metal?
Everything. Take it out.
Is that it? That is too. Oh, sweet. Yeah, there you go. That's what we're talking about. See if we'll move. There we go. Oh yeah, fucking brakes work. Yeah, that's interesting. Oh, I love it. See if I'll move an inch. The skis are stuck to the ground. The skis are No, we just no. It's stuck to the ground.